In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clickable links in Canva. If you've ever designed a presentation, a social post, or a PDF in Canva and wanted people to be able to click through to a website, a sign-up page, or even your social profiles, adding a clickable link is exactly what you need. The good news is that it's quick and straightforward once you know where to look. First, open Canva and go to the specific project you want to work on. Make sure you're in editing mode, not just previewing the design. You should see your usual Canva workspace with your design in the center and the toolbar options around it. Next, look at the text on your design and decide which part you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a word, a phrase like "click here," or even a full sentence. Click directly on that text box. When you do, you'll see a border appear around it, and the text editing toolbar will show up, usually near the top of the screen. With the text selected, look for the link icon in the toolbar. It typically looks like a small chain or two links connected together. Click on that chain icon. This opens a small field or pop-up where you can add your link. Now, type the full URL into that field. Make sure you include the correct address, for example, starting with HTTP if needed. It's a good idea to copy and paste the link from your browser to avoid typos. Remember that whatever you type here is exactly where your viewers will be taken when they click the text. So double check the spelling and make sure it points to the right page. Once you've entered the URL, click on the Done button in that pop-up or field. This confirms the link you've just added. Canva will now associate that web address with the piece of text you selected. You may then see another Done button related to editing your text box or closing the editing mode. Click Done once more to exit text editing and return fully to your design. At this point, your text is linked. To test it, you can download your design as a PDF or use presentation mode. When you hover over that text, it should now act as a clickable link that takes your audience directly to the URL you entered.